Today we're doing a Saturday pizza cook. I'm going to be cooking for my family in the Ninja Woodfire here. I used the Ninja Artisan last outside and it was really cold, but today it's going to be, 6 degrees? So yeah, everything from scratch, dough, everything. We're going to start it all with no prep, basically. We're going to prep it now. So join me on my pizza cooking Saturday. 500 grams of flour and 300 grams of water. I'm going to put 150 grams of water in first and a bit of salt, 9 grams of salt. Make sure it all dissolves in the water. Ooh, that screechy sound goes in there. Another 150 grams of water. 1 to 2 grams of yeast depending on your climate. Mine's cold right now, so I'm going to put 2 grams. A very quick dough proof as well. And that's it. That's my dough. All I do. I'm going to hide the salty water away from the yeast when I put it in. I don't want it to even think of destroying the yeast. Just mix this in. 45-minute. There it goes. That'll be done in 45 minutes. I've got all my toppings ready. These are my frozen mozzarella that I brought out earlier, so they're defrosting, nearly done, ready to be put on the pizza. And now I just need to do my tomato sauce and, as usual, put it in my handheld chopper, because I find I get best results using a handheld chopper over an electric one. So I'm going to put the tomato sauce in here now and now chop up my tomatoes. Texture, yeah, that's just right. So now I'm going to tidy up, get my toppings ready, and then I'll put the oven on in about 20 minutes time. It's 27 minutes left of the dough to be made, so I'm going to go and turn the pizza oven on now. So here's my Ninja Woodfire, and I'm going to just check the stone before I even turn it on. So I'm starting from 3 degrees. I'm starting from 4 degrees. Yeah, that's where I'm starting from. So I am now going to turn this oven on. I've plugged it in, I've pressed test and reset on there. Everything's under cover. It is drizzling today, so I'm safe in my little pizza cover kitchen place. And now I'm going to turn it to pizza there. And I'm going to be leaving it on the artisan setting. I don't bother with a timer, I don't touch that, but I just start the oven. I expect this to take about 25 to 30 minutes, because even though it'll beep at about 15 minutes and say it's ready because it's got to 370 Celsius, I want it to go higher, and if I leave it on it does go higher, so that's what I'm going to do today. The dough's just finished, so that's been 45 minutes for the dough. This has been about 30 minutes for this oven, and it's at 390, which is great. It does smell a bit smoky because I'd left some pellets in there from my beef smoking meat. So that's got a nice smoky smell around here now, but I'm not using it to actually cook. It doesn't infuse the pizza in that space of time. I'm going to make my pizza, and this will hopefully get a bit warmer. It is really, really miserable. We're in a little coach. We're gonna be fine. Dough is ready. 180 gram dough ball. you're ready. Let's check. This is the first cook, and I just want to see what the temperature is. Let's do it quick. Yeah, it's staying at 390s. So that's still good. Let's get this in. Start. So we've got 3 minutes, it says there, but it cooks in a lot less than that. 1.5 minutes. It's pretty done with the cook. If it's not done, I'll just leave it in more. Boom. Yay. And it's at 356. So I'm just gonna shut the door quickly. That's gonna beep, let it beep, continue, and it'll keep just warming up, so don't touch anything, just let it go. It'll just stay hot. You don't need to do anything. I'll just show you the beep as it beeps. It'll say done. Oh, you get your food, and then it'll just start heating up again. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this oven. Pizza number 1. Going to be delivered to family member, and I'm on to my next one. 180 gram dough ball. It looks tiny in that picture. Another pizza ready to be cooked. Okay, let's check the temperature. It's the same. I've been 8 minutes. 8 minutes has gone back to temperature for just to note how long it takes. All right, shut the door, press start. It's still raining. You see my red pinny. Keep calm, I'm Welsh, I'll do it now in a minute. I got that for Christmas, for my aunt. We're coming up to the time. Right, 143, 142, 140, 140. I've forgotten my peel again, and I've got to get this out. Ah! Why do I keep doing that? Swap it over. I mean, it doesn't harm the peel, but I don't want the fat and grease really from it going onto the peel. There you are. Right, let's check the temperature of this oven. Let's do thumbnails, because these are real pizza cooks, no AI pizza cooks, all real, 100%. It's 367 now, so it hasn't come down hardly anything. So let's get this pizza in. Whoa. Get this onto a plate. Let's get this one delivered and ready for the next one. And another 180 gram dough ball. Right then, I don't know how many of you know I barefoot run on my treadmill. That's how I keep fit. We're ready with the final cook. Today, on this rainy winter's day. Right, well, let's check the temperature, as we have done the last few times. Yes, I've got my peel this time. Lesson learned. And it is 3.9. It's the same every time. And it takes the same every time. It's so reliably consistent. Let's get this in. And start. Really miserable. I've got so much gardening to do. I tend to forget to put gardening gloves on and my nails get absolutely destroyed. Not a good look. Look at my sheep. It's about 7 degrees. The steam. Steam, steam, steam. Right, don't take your eye off that clock. Boom. It's done. Look at that. Looking good. Looking good. What is it? It's 362. Oh my gosh, this oven is so consistent. It's unbelievable. Say I was doing another cook. You need a pizza brush. Just get all this off. Just get it all off. Yeah, and then pick it up at the front. Because you don't want that in the pizza base. Right, I'm going to take this in now. Take my pizza in. And we are joined. We have the presence of Kai. Kai has given us his, I'm ready, I can smell the pizza, especially your pizza. Yeah, are you ready? Is that pizza ready, Mommy? I can smell it. I can smell the pizza. Right, here's the pizza. She can smell. Oh, that is such a treat. There you are, you're a good little boy. Good boy. Well, Kai liked my pizza. It's good. I'll have a different oven every month and I'll be doing multiple pizza cooks with it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.